Leg press. Every leg press is a little different. This right here, I really don't care. Try to get it up, the seat up high as you can. And when I say leg press, I'm going to tell you if I want you to do leg press plate loaded or leg press cable loaded. And it's over there. This is different. Two types of leg presses. So first, you're going to get in. Set this pretty much at the lowest position it'll go. Make sure you're pretty familiar with how to unlock it. You don't want to mess that up because that's going to be scary. So let's just do first, like the exercises before, I'm going to tell you where I want your feet. I'll say go wide, super deep, close. Everything hits different muscles. So let's just say I tell you to do wide stance, leg press. It's going to hit your inner quad, inner thigh a little more. Push up, unlock it. See this machine? I don't even like it. All right, you're going to go down. Try to bottom it out. See how I move my feet down so I could get low? Now, here's what I don't want. From the side, if you're looking at somebody, I don't want your butt to curl up. See how my butt's not curling up? Some people, when they do it, they go way down, their butt curls up. You do not want that. That's horrible for your low back. So for wide stance, I'm kind of low on the platform, keeping it wide, going down low. Now, here's what you don't want. You don't want your feet straight on. Your kneecaps are not straight on. They're slightly open. To get a certain depth, you have to open your femurs anyway. So going here, you're limited. You can't go deep. Open your toes a little bit that's in line. My knees are going this way. If I was to draw a line, there my toe. Same thing with my toe. So you got that. The next thing you don't want to do, knees. Think of a woman going to the gynecologist. This is what I tell all my clients. You always have to keep your knees open. So when you go down, don't keep your knees in. Knees open. Keep them open. When you push up, you're going to want to come in because you're weak in your hips. Keep your knees pushed open like you're trying to just fight them. Okay, next stance. The same rule applies to all stances. Knees in line with toes. What else? Knees in line with toes. Yeah, that's just a big one. All right, so close stance. You're going to keep your toes slightly open. Going to go here. Try to bottom it out if you can. That's going to hit this a little more. Higher on the platform sometimes hits your hamstrings a little more. You just have to play around and see where you feel it. As long as your toes are open, your knees are pushed out in line with your ankle, you're good to go. Putting it up. There you go.